Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. It's your girl Fabulously Nappy with another NBLX video. So it's not actually a tutorial, it's just a sped up video of me working. So my client booked for shampoo, blow dry and braiding services. I shampooed her hair already and now we're gone over to blow dry, and those little blackouts you see, that's power going out. We had power outage like 2 or 3 times and it was so annoying, and I thought I wouldn't be able to finish doing the blow dry because power kept going out, but then it came back and I was able to finish it, thank goodness. So I just went ahead to do the blow dry. I thought we'll split the hair into 4 sections, and then when I went to each section I split it into 2 just to make it easier for me to blow dry. So I'm just doing that. My client wanted something simple. She's studying medicine, like she's a doctor, a student doctor. Yeah. So she wanted something simple and really cute, straight backs with a few designs. So I just went ahead to start off with my middle part, trying to get it crisp, clean. Like always, I love me some clean parts. And if you know me, then like if you've been following my videos here on YouTube or TikTok or wherever, you would know that I love to pre-part. So I'm just trying to pre-part in the front to see how many rows I am gonna get. Then I clip them all the way and then take each section and link it to the back, and then I start braiding. So like I said, she booked for straight backs with a few designs. We did crisscross and we did some mini triangles, and it was really cute. Just hold on, you're gonna see everything in the end. So I'm just doing my braiding. I had already blow dried the hair, so the braiding went a little bit smoother. Guys, pardon my voice, I'm struggling with the flu right now, but I think you can still hear me clearly. So when I finished this first side, I went over to the other side and did the same thing. Well, not the same design, but I followed the same pre-parting technique, like parting technique. Yeah, so I just went ahead to braid down the hair. After braiding the hair, I just put some beads. She wanted beads, and she didn't want the hair long either, because doctors who are still studying, they have to focus. So they wouldn't let them do anything too extra or anything. So she just wanted something cute and simple that would get her through. She wouldn't have to wake up in the morning and have to comb out her afro, because she's still natural, so she didn't want all that stress. So yes, this was the perfect fit for her. So after putting the beads, I just trimmed off any low flyaways. Then I dipped it in hot water just to make it a little bit more flexible. Then I oiled her scalp, because we do not do dry scalp over here, no ma'am. After that, I did her edges, put some mousse on her hair, blow dried it, and also went ahead to spray some sheen spray for the shine. And then we took a video, but she was a little shy in it because her friends were around. But guys, you gotta see that hair. Look at everything so put together, the sleekness, the shine. Like, why have you not booked with NBLX Collections yet? We offer the best. Book with us and also follow our channel for more content. Look at her smile. Bye guys.